Hello, I'm glad you're here. We're going to consider the following equation, and then we're going to determine the solution to the equation. 2.5 times some unknown number, and then you're going to subtract 4.25, and you're going to end up with 4.5. Well, if you go ahead and add the 4.25 to both sides, you're going to end up with 8.75. And so then you'll have 2.5 times some unknown number equals 8.75. So if you're to divide both sides by the 2.5, you'll end up with x equals 3.5. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.